14 volts. 2x. It's reading a 2,000 watt scale. 50 is 1,000. 14 volts flat. The inside of box is dipping to 13.8. Hello, BBI. Oh yeah. Hello, BBI. Let's get on with the show.
Salvation is reserved for those who pass the test. If you survive, an elevated existence awaits. Initiate phase 1. Power up the breeze cannon.
Alright, buddy. This amp has been around the world and back again. It's a straight 8. Biasing for sideband. And it's got some DEIs in it. Look at that. It's burned. So we're going to strip this puppy down and we're going to remake it for a guy. Now, the gentleman that owns this amp, I call him Super Black, as in like in the government terms when you say super black, doesn't exist. This guy does not exist. So he said I could shoot a video of what I'm going to do to this box, but that's where it ends. And that's all you'll ever get out of me about it. Long and the short is, we're going to change it just a little bit. He wants me to pull the DEIs out, and he wants to make this thing an AM killer. Well, I'm going to oblige you. So let's get the amp set the right direction. And let's start the show. Black. He sent it to me to have some magic done. I don't know about magic. I pulled all the DEIs that were burned up in this thing out. I added 2 pills and reworked a couple things on it. Redid the input and the output tunes for you, of course. And we're going to go over here and we're going to take a quick look at the bird meter. It's a 5 watt slug going forward and a 100 watt slug going forward. One on the right's in PEP, the one on the left's in RMS. As you can see, I'm dead keying 2 watts. Hello, audio. Swinging to about 24. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the way. Put a 1,000 watt slug in the hole. It's in RMS. Pull the 100 watt slug out of the way. Put a 1,000 watt slug in a spot. Click that down to 2x. This scale's now reading as a 2,000 watt scale. 50 is 1,000. 100 is 2K. This is an RMS. That's in peak. Down here, flick on the box. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Seeing 7,750 out of it, RMS. And what, about 18 and some change? 19 some change? Peak? Isn't that pretty? Now remember, when I modulate, because I'm running on a 14 volt flat system, the inside current's dropping to like 13.8, 13.7. So you put this in your mobile, which is going to run almost 15 volts. Easily get 2K out of it. About 900 plus RMS. But as far as the bench is concerned, this thing is spot on. Grab the 1,000 watt slug out the way. Get the 5 watt slug back in its always position in reverse. Now we're going to look at your output tune. Hello, audio. Click that down to 5x, I did. Let's look at your output tune. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So not even a full watt of reflag. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. See, it's down to 13. Here's your input tune. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Consistently 18 and some change. Mr. Black, it's been fun bringing this one back from the grave. It's burned up from the ground up. Not no more. It's got 10 new and matched 2879 Toshibas in it. You can volt and do whatever you want with this box. It will take it. Bump bump from the biggest mud duck in Idaho. I just got down.